Okay, we're now at Ramsey Road doing the horn game is what me and Mason call it. And we gotta go. We got a car.
Right.
We'll come back through. All of this is just woods. Mama's being a smart britches again.
Anything?
No, ma'am, nothing. Yes, ma'am, I'm sure. I'm special. Y'all should know this.
Who is y'all?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh.
Whoever's watching on YouTube. Again, woods. Uh-oh, we have one. Zoe! We got one.
Ready? He's already got you.
Me and Mason's favorite game.
I'm trying, buddy. I got caught.
We got one more. Thank you, dude. Dirty rat. Wouldn't play our game. Mama swears we're gonna have the cops called on us one of them day.
Alright, now am I turning around and go back to old Pastor
Cows. I see cows.
Oh, show you.
Cows. A lot of cows. Sorry for the wind.
Birds.
No, what is a dookie bird? Somebody comment below what a dookie bird is.